Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to share something very helpful for all English learners. Many people dream of speaking English fluently and with confidence, but sometimes it feels very hard. The truth is, speaking English is not magic. It is a skill. And like any other skill, you can improve it step by step with the right practice. In this video, I will share 8 smart ways to improve your English speaking skills. These tips are simple, practical, and very effective. If you use them every day, you will see great progress in your fluency, confidence, and communication. So, let's start. 1. Practice speaking every day. The first smart way is to speak English every day. Speaking is like a muscle. If you don't use it, it becomes weak. If you use it daily, it becomes strong. Many learners only read or write, but they forget to speak. That is why they understand English, but cannot talk fluently. The solution is simple. Make English part of your daily life. You don't need hours. Just 15 to 20 minutes of speaking is enough. Talk about your day. Describe what you see, or say your thoughts out loud. The more you speak, the more natural it will feel. Even short daily practice is better than no practice at all. You can speak in front of a mirror to boost your confidence. You can also practice by reading a story or a news article out loud. Slowly, your mouth and tongue will get used to English sounds. Speaking every day will make you comfortable with the language. The second smart way is to listen carefully. Listening is the key to good speaking. When you listen to fluent speakers, you learn pronunciation, sentences, and tone. You can listen to songs, news, podcasts, or movies in English. But don't just listen, repeat the words, copy the accent, and try to say them the same way. This will train your brain to think in English. Remember, a good speaker is always a good listener first. When you listen daily, your ears become sharp and you catch new words easily. Try to listen with full attention, not while doing something else. If you don't understand everything, don't worry. Just focus on key words. Listening more will also improve your accent naturally. The more you listen, the easier it becomes to speak with confidence. 3. Think in English, not in your language. The third smart way is to think in English. Many learners make the mistake of translating from their mother tongue. This makes speaking slow and difficult. Instead, try to think directly in English. Start small with sentences like, I am hungry, it is raining, or I need water. Later, try longer sentences. If you practice thinking in English, your speaking will become faster and smoother. You can practice this by describing what you are doing in your mind. For example, when cooking, think, I am cutting vegetables, or I am boiling water. You don't have to be perfect, just try. With time, your brain will stop translating and start producing English naturally. Thinking in English is one of the fastest ways to become fluent. 4. Learn and use phrases, not just words. The fourth smart way is to learn phrases, not just single words. If you only learn words, you may not know how to use them in real life. But if you learn phrases, you can speak more naturally. For example, instead of learning the word disappointed, learn the phrase, I was disappointed because. Collect useful phrases from movies, books, or conversations and use them in daily speaking. Phrases save you time because they are ready-made sentences. You don't have to think too much about grammar when you know common expressions. Some phrases are used again and again in daily life, like, "Can you help me?" or "That sounds great." By using phrases, you will sound more fluent and confident. 5. Record yourself and listen. The fifth smart way is to record your voice. At first, it may feel strange, but it is very helpful. When you listen to your recording, you will notice mistakes in grammar, pronunciation, or fluency. Compare your speaking with native speakers and try to improve. Do this often and your confidence will grow. You can use your phone to record short sentences or stories. After recording, listen carefully and write down areas where you need improvement. You might realize that you speak too fast or too slow. Recording helps you hear your progress over time. It is like having your own English teacher in your pocket. 6. Don't be afraid of mistakes. The sixth smart way is to not fear mistakes. Many learners don't speak because they are scared of being wrong. But even native speakers make mistakes. If you wait for perfect grammar, you will never start. Speak bravely, even if it is not perfect. Every mistake is a lesson, and it helps you improve. Think of mistakes as your teachers, not your enemies. The more mistakes you make, the more you learn. People respect your effort, even if your English is not perfect. Remember, practice makes progress, not perfection. So, don't be silent. Speak up and learn from your errors. 7. Practice with real people. The seventh smart way is to speak with real people. Talking alone is good, but talking with others is better. Find a partner, join English groups, or talk with friends who are learning. If no one is near you, try apps or practice with AI tools. Real conversation makes you think fast and answer naturally. Conversations with people prepare you for real-life situations. You can learn how to react quickly and politely in English. Group practice also makes learning fun and interesting. If you talk with different people, you will also hear different accents and speaking styles. This will make your English more flexible and natural. 8. Stay consistent and motivated. The eighth smart way is to stay regular and motivated. You cannot learn English in 1 week. It takes time and practice. Make a small daily routine. Even 20 minutes every day is better than 2 hours once a week. Also, remember your reason for learning. Maybe you want it for your job, study, travel, or personal growth. When your reason is strong, you will never stop practicing. Consistency is the secret to fluency. Little progress every day builds big results over time. Motivation is like fuel. It keeps you moving. If you ever feel tired, remind yourself of your goals. Always believe that you can do it, and your English will improve day by day. Final thoughts. So, my dear friends, these are the 8 smart ways to boost your English speaking skills. Let's quickly repeat them. Practice speaking every day. Listen more than you speak. Think in English, not in your native language. Learn and use phrases, not just words. Record yourself and listen. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Practice with real people. Stay consistent and motivated. If you follow these simple but powerful steps, you will surely improve your English speaking. Remember, fluency is not about being perfect. It is about being confident and clear. So, don't wait. Start practicing today, and very soon you will surprise yourself with your progress. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more English learning tips. And don't forget to comment below which of these 8 ways you are going to try first. Stay motivated, keep practicing, and I will see you in the next video.